Okay guys, so we're going to be making a gluten-free cumin seed flatbread. So let's get started. All right, we're going to be using the Bob Red Mills 1-to-1 baking flour. We're going to get 2 cups of this. All right, so we have 2 cups of our gluten-free flour. We're now going to put a 1/4 cup of ghee. You can use oil, you can use coconut oil, but as I have ghee, I will use the ghee. All right, so say about 2 tablespoons, so a little less than a 1/4 cup of ghee or coconut oil. Going to be putting 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of sea salt. All right, so we're going to mix this and then we're going to slowly add our water. I just want to incorporate the ghee into the flour, so I'm just like rubbing it through my fingers. All right, so now we're going to slowly add our water until it forms into a nice dough. So as I add the water, I just kind of squeeze the flour through my hands just so that, you know, I make sure that it gets hydrated nicely. All right, this feels good. All right, so our dough has formed. And so what we're going to do now is just pinch off smaller pieces and form it into balls. Okay? So actually, you know what? I'll rest it in my plate here. I have a plate here. Just rest. I'll just rest it here. All right, so I'm going to get to forming my balls and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have all my balls formed. So now what we're going to do is use our, I'm going to use my tortilla press in order to press out my flatbread. All right, so here we have our flatbread pressed out. So now we're going to head over to the stove so we can cook our flatbread. All right, so we're going to put a little bit of coconut oil on our hot plate here. I find that by rubbing it like this, it helps it to puff up. So usually I like to do this and you will see it starting to puff up.